So today we're going to learn about how to use list. Well, in order for us to use list, we have to understand the problem, the challenge here. In HackerRank, we have to find a runner-up score in this given list, right? So first thing first, 5 is a given as the element, how many elements in the list, right? So uh, it will be a string, and then we'll have to split it. After that, we have to convert it to integers, and all that will have to be get it done with the map built-in functions right here. So in this case, we are just passing as a map, and it will be an object type of thing, right? So we want to convert that into lists, and this is how we are converting into list, and that way we can manipulate the data into manipulate the data and then get the right value so that we can get a runner up. Okay, so we convert it into list. After that, we will have to uh, find the first place. So first place will be something like this, and max array, right? So that will be our first place, and after that we will have to remove duplicated or uh, duplicated first place. So basically duplicated. If it's not duplicated, then it will just remove the first place. So and then first place in array. So this is something list that we can do it on list, right? So if it's the first place still inside array, then we will remove from the list. So remove first place. So that we will just print max and array. Okay, so let's try and see the answer. All right, we got the right answer, and submit code. Okay, we got all the test passes. All right, so that's our answer for this coding challenge, basically a list.